Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making this delicious red pepper dip from scratch, and it's called Muhammara. Start out with 3 red bell peppers. I washed them and then I cleaned them and sliced them just like this. You're gonna get a baking sheet and you're gonna place them face down with some olive oil. We're gonna brush them with olive oil and we're gonna put olive oil underneath. Then you're gonna broil them on 550 degrees Fahrenheit until they are nicely charred on both sides. Then you're gonna need 1 cup of toasted walnuts. I am toasting them, it just releases more flavor. You don't have to. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of each Aleppo pepper, cumin, and salt. Then you're gonna need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, and 2 teaspoons of red pepper paste. You also need 1½ teaspoon of garlic paste. Have all your ingredients ready and get your food processor out. In a food processor, start adding your charred peppers. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients: garlic, breadcrumbs, red pepper paste, pomegranate molasses, olive oil, and our spices and salt. And don't forget about your toasted walnuts. Close the food processor and start it up. Let it start doing all the work for you. Blend well until it's like a paste-like consistency. I decorated mine with pomegranate molasses, parsley, and chopped walnuts. Enjoy with your favorite protein, as a dip, or a side. صحتين وهنا.